We worked on this major roundabout.
Yeah.
And we worked on the mini roundabouts as well. Now those ones are pretty easy to understand. Now today's roundabout is kind of like a spiral roundabout. I will quickly show you how the spiral roundabouts look like and why you think is important. So this is the spiral roundabout. Now if you look over here, can you see why you think it's called spiral roundabout?
Because all the lanes like merge into each other.
There's so many lanes,
Yeah.
but also if you notice, you have got so many arrows telling you if you want to go to left, you stay into the left lane. If you want to go right, straight ahead, which lane to use. So you have to do a lot of lane discipline.
Yeah.
But also most of the spiral roundabouts, they do have got the markings or information written on the floor. For example, when we're going to be going towards services, on the floor it says services. So the roundabouts, some of the big motorway roundabouts, when it's a spiral roundabout, they do have got a big boards on top telling you if you want to go to the ABC direction, use this lane as well. So there's a lot more to it. So a lot of forward planning required as well. So do you understand this?
Yeah.
Any problem, any question to following the arrows or anything?
No, it's just that all of these are giveaways, right? Just,
Yes, that's right. So every roundabout, when the rules stays the same. So when you're approaching the roundabout,
yeah.
you always check your mirrors and indicate if required, and you always approach slowly. What speed we normally approach?
15.
Yeah, and start looking where? Right and ahead.
Yeah.
But do glance to your left once before you emerge as well. So the rules still remain the same. It's just that you need to have a good forward planning that which lane you need to be on if you're going into 4th exit or the 5th exit. So we have got a major roundabout coming up, and I would like you to turn right at the next roundabout. Don't signal to early. Just position at the moment.
Yeah.
And we're going towards the town center. Position to the right. Look at the signboard there. Where is the town center?
That's that exit.
Good. What about the arrows on the floor or the sign? This is like a spiral roundabout as well, isn't it? It's telling you we need to use which lane to go to town center.
Right hand lane.
It's easy if you do that, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So once you pass this junction, now what you're gonna do?
Signal.
Okay. Now last time you did not count the exit. Let's see if you can count the exits as well. So we're taking the 3rd exit, don't we?
Yeah.
Where is your first exit?
That one to the left.
There, on your left. There. Look, that's your left. Okay. Okay. Good. Where is your second exit?
That one.
So what you gonna do now then?
Look down, signal.
And where's your 3rd exit?
Yeah.
See how easily missed. So
Yeah.
when you were approaching, you were mainly concerning on the right, but we're supposed to be looking the bigger area, isn't it?